Last thing you do in your front derailleur is you adjust your upper and lower position. As you can see right now, if I turn the crank and I release the cable tension, the chain is not falling down. So what you do is you have to bring your lower position a little bit more outwards. You take your Torx key, you unscrew your right bolt here and you try again. And as you can see, now it's falling perfectly to your smaller chainring. The same thing you do for your upper position. Make sure there's about 2 mm of spacing between your front derailleur and your chain. And bring it a little bit closer here. So now it's shifting perfectly upwards and downwards.